not doing this.
Dad, what are you
I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this.
No, don't kick me
Go
out.
live somebody else. Go
No,
live somewhere
Dad,
else.
Dad, don't kick
Go
me
live somewhere
out.
else.
Dad, stop. Dad, stop. No. He kicked me out. Wait, no, stop. 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 Wait. Let me in. Hey, Paxton. No, come back.
I'm gonna 10 on pump 2.
All right.
10 on these nuts.
You don't talk to me like that, bitch.
Yeah.
Baby, I want to be closer.
You're on top of me.
I want to be inside your skin.
Heavier. No, this is good. But I can go heavier. Focus on form. But strength. Find one more rep then. And VM, I hate more reps. I'll go heavier next time. Hypertrophy baby. I wanna be strong though. No aesthetics, aesthetics. Do it for the gains. Can you shut up and just lift? Okay, okay, okay. Fuck, I should have went heavier.
Excuse me, sir. I think you're doing the workout wrong. Yeah, that's not how you do it. I'll show you how to do it.
Have at it.
All right.
What are you
Like
doing?
that. Just like that.
That's what I do?
Yeah, just like that.
Последнее время она что-то потолстела.
Ну, ничего страшного. У тебя такая рука мягкая в последнее время.
Да, я пользуюсь кремом новым. Слушай, я пойду схожу за водичкой, тебе принести что-нибудь?
Да, можно холодную, а то жарко сегодня.
Окей, ну подожди меня.
Yo, pero, ¿qué este tigre, loco?
chupapi.
Yo, quítate de ahí, loco, y este tigre. Yo, ¿quién es este tigre? Yo, loco, quítate de ahí.
Bichotazo muñeño.
Quítate de ahí, loco.
My ringtone.
Quítate de ahí.
Oh, bichotazo.
This is what men do. They fucking clean like dickheads, so they don't have to clean. Why'd you pour so much on the floor?
So it can be clean.
Bro, you don't need that much pine stone. You're supposed to fucking dilute it, and that's not even pine stone, it's Mr. Clean. Look how stressed you got me.
This is not for the floor.
It is for the floor,
so-
but you don't need that much.
You do it.
What is wrong with you, bro? Like, y'all just do...
You're supposed to have fun.
Today I saw my sister Sarah and Sabby getting along and I knew I had to stop it, so I took Sarah's shoes and put them in Sabby's room, took a picture and made it look like Sabby wore her new shoes.
Sada, you might want to look at this picture. They're your shoes in Sabby's room.
What? What shoes?
Why are my Nikes in your room?
What?
These are my
I
shoes.
have my own
Why are
Nikes.
they in your room?
I swear they're not
No,
yours.
these ones are mine.
I have the same ones.
There's literally proof right here. These are mine.
No,
These-
they're not.
Yes, they are. I'm done.
What are you
I'm done with you. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me, Sabby. I'm serious. Look, we're done.
Tried the finger to shoulder prank on brother.
Hey. Hey.
Bro, that bait.
You know it's impossible to touch your fingernails to your shoulder?
What happened?
You know it's impossible to touch your fingernails to your shoulder?
Oh, come on.
Yeah, it is. Try it.
Bro. She fucking braided my ass hair.
The other way.
What?
The other way.
Hi.
Canonicus, Canonicus. Canonicus.
تبا انزين شيل منه. لا مشكور. شيل منه والله حق بن عمي والله تعبان والله بن عمي والله علام خيبان مرة واحدة والله تستاهل يوم صبح مشتغل مسكين حلق والله يستاهل كفو ضبطه مسكين يستاهل ضبطه حبيب والله حبيب
Здрасте. Кока-кола и ментос.
I hid under the pool chair and did this.
Yeah, you got like no hair on those feet. Thanks, man. Yo. Something just grabbed my foot. Check.
Tripping out, bro.
Check. Yo, it was not getting dude, I told you. Stick the tripod under there. Let's see who we gonna get today. I did get 2 cheese.
What's in your bag?
A cheeseburger and a small fry.
Let me see.
Yo, did you see any money right here?
Money? No.
I just dropped my money right here.
No.
Did you see anything? Are you sure?
There's no money, bro.
Are you sure you didn't see a stack of money right here?
No money.
You just dropped it.
No money.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Dude, well, you're lying. I have you on camera right there. Hey!
Hi, baby.
Hey, my friend's getting in the car. I'll call you back. Well.
Hey, what's up?
Don't do that. You joking too bad. What? You look like you smell like a terrible. Don't do that. You look like you smell like sperm milk or something.
Is that Spanish? What you saying?
Get the fuck. Get.
Alright.
How you doing today?
Yo, let me get 2 for
Brother, there's a new law. I gotta check your temperature before I give you anything.
The store did this already, bro.
Oh,
Everybody's been getting
yeah,
sick lately,
man,
bro.
I swear, bro.
It's crazy out here, bro.
Oh my God, brother, I think your temperature is too high.
It can't be.
Brother, please leave my store.
Bro.
Brother, please leave my store. Oh, hell fuck no.
I'm not recording you, bro.
Yo.
It's a selfie, bro. It's a selfie. It's a prank.
That's cat.
Look, it's...
Oh, I should have known, bro.
Ow. Oh my gosh, these are comfortable. These are extremely comfortable. My goodness. I would definitely get this for my dog. My dog would be loving me. Is he coming? Is he coming? Oh my gosh, there's a worker. Oh, he's right there. He's right. Hey, huh? Oh, no, I'm just testing out the dog beds for my Chihuahua.
Oh. Dude, I know this was you. It had to been.
That was not me.
I know.
I was just...
Whoa, man.
Give me your best Pikachu impression.
Pika Pika. Is that good?
Give me your best Panther impression. What the Okay.
You doing exactly what Kamala said that they were gonna do.
Ay,
You're not gonna do.
Chupapi.
Can you please not touch my card?
Oh, Chupapi.
So yeah, he's doing exactly what his right.
Okay, so I got this really exciting PR package from PacSun, so I thought I would open it on camera and show you what I got. So there's just a bunch of stuff in here, so I'm just gonna rapid fire everything. A pair of wide leg denim, tank top, cropped sweater with matching shorts, another matching set with shorts, t-shirt, a bra top, sweat shorts, fuzzy shacket, and finally sunglasses.